Hi, I'm Michael Brown and I'm on set today with VS Sassoon talking about the new digital sensor Luxe Air Styler, the all-in-one hair tool. So the hair has been towel dried and now we're going to use the drying concentrator to dry it a little bit more before we start smoothing and detangling. I've now attached the smoothing and detangling brush. As you can see, the gold area is all ceramic, so it really does smooth the hair, great for frizz. To make it easier, especially for thicker and very frizzy hair, section in two parts so the detangling brush can really smooth each part of your hair. One tip with the smoothing and detangling brush is if you go on top of the hair, it really smooths and straightens. Good for thick, buffy hair, but for volume, you can actually smooth and detangle underneath to try and get extra volume. The round brushes have the rotating element forward and back, so you can do outward flicks and inward flicks. For extra volume, it's great to place your section in the opposite direction so the hair has enough movement and height. The round brushes are there for your advantage to really able to frame the face with some flicks. It's really important to resist the rotation with tension in your wrist. And lastly, the cold shot is amazing to keep shape in place. So now I've attached the hard bristle brush. I use this mainly for fringes and flicks because you can go inward and outward and really create beautiful shape around the front of the face. The Tame and Finishes attachment is great because it has ceramic in the little teeth there. It really smooths and defrizzes the hair, great for baby hairs around the face. For more tips, visit vssassoon.com.au.